The surprising truth about reading is that most people don't actually enjoy it because it takes too much time. And that's exactly the problem Speechify tries to solve. Speechify is a text-to-speech app that converts written content into audio. You can use it to listen to PDFs, articles, emails, books, and even scan documents. Instead of reading, you listen. This is especially useful for students, professionals, and people with dyslexia or attention difficulties. You simply upload a document or paste text, choose a voice, and press play. What makes Speechify stand out is voice quality. The AI voices sound more natural than basic robotic readers. Some premium voices even mimic real human tone and pacing. Another major benefit is speed control. You can listen at normal pace or speed it up to 2 or 3 times. That means you can finish long documents in a fraction of the time. Many users report consuming 3 times more content than before. The mobile app is clean and simple. You can highlight text while listening, sync across devices, and even take photos of physical pages to convert them into audio. However, the biggest downside is pricing. The free version is limited. Premium plans can feel expensive, especially for casual users. Also, not all voices are available without upgrading. Speechify works best for nonfiction and study material. For novels, some people still prefer human audiobooks, but for productivity, it's extremely powerful. In conclusion, Speechify is ideal for people who want to learn faster and reduce screen time. It won't replace reading entirely, but it transforms how efficiently you consume information. Subscribe for more honest tech reviews that save you time.